Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hello guys, I personally welcome you to another video on this YouTube channel. And this video is all about, yes, you heard the title right, it's all about Vision Pro. Apple just released its newest product, and I'm gonna give you the facts, the good, the bad, the ugly about it, the good things, the price. Let's just get a brief introduction about it, because I think it doesn't have a device yet to check out. So before we get started, I just want you to get a pen, a paper, even the notepad on your phone or tablet is enough, even the one on your PC. Just type in notepad right there, pull that up, and then take down the important notes that you wanna take note, and then just get back to them once you're ready. So without further ado, let's start. Again, this is not a step, this is not a tutorial. I'm just telling you guys what's up right now in the Apple world. So I'm gonna open my browser right here, and as you can see, I'm already on the website of Apple. Let me just reload it right there. And this is the landing page of Apple with Vision Pro. Actually, I love how they build the website out of it, because as I scroll down, there is a girl that's gonna become and show me whatever Vision Pro is. So let's just get to the basics. What is Vision Pro? Technically, as you see by visual comparison, it's gonna be a headset like a VR or a VR headset, but with this one, it's gonna be AR. So again, guys, I wanna make sure that you understand fully VR versus AR. What is the difference? AR is augmented reality, wherein VR is virtual reality. Let's just say that VR is the younger brother of AR. AR is the big boss. AR has all of the things that you need that you can interact with via professional level or on your office, on your meetings, wherein virtual reality can only, I think, gives you the time or the access to play games, access those minimal requirement games. Now with AR, it takes it to a whole other level. So again, this is how this Vision Pro would look like. Now let's scroll down a bit. It is actually like a goggle when you go swimming, and the thing is, you're gonna be like Iron Man. Why do I mean by becoming Iron Man? Let me just post this right here. I'm gonna search. I've searched a few photos here regarding Iron Man, and come on, who doesn't wanna be Iron Man? Seeing those interface right there, seeing those Jarvis, listening to it, and then touching the air while interacting with your computer. That's what Vision Pro or Apple Vision Pro is all about. So let's just continue with this one. As you can see here, it gives you access to whatever you have on your iPhone, tablet, or Mac on an open space. You can even use your computer while you're sitting down, lying down, even in your garage. So, okay, this is another example of a girl or a woman using Vision Pro on this tablet, searching tabs, searching the web, and even reading articles. Again, it's gonna be even applicable on movies. Please pay attention on the finger of that woman right there. It gives you access on pinching, on accurate movement on the fingers. It's actually really good. But to be honest, guys, it's actually the real life Iron Man right here. And based off my wallpaper and my PC, you can tell I'm a real fanatic of Iron Man. So I think this is one of the items that I will buy as soon as it released. So let's just move further so I can give you the specifics later on. Okay, then as you can see here, it even sees that you're in a different space, but a larger TV, but you're just in your living room, something like that. Who doesn't like that, right? Come on. So moving on. So Vision Pro, you can either watch the film or watch the event. Available early next year in the US, so it's actually available for 2024. You can even take a closer look right here. Give me a second, I don't want to go there, I just want to check here. So, what are the things to expect? Apps is gonna for your desktop and your apps will follow. Technically, it's gonna be a personal device. Vision Pro isn't to be shared. That's one thing that you should take note about. Vision Pro isn't shared, not like your Mac, that someone can just log in, use a different Google account or something like that. It doesn't go with Vision Pro because it is actually a personal customizable device that only the user can use because it's gonna be For example, this guy right here is going to be your account that you can access through the open space. Now moving on, the Ultimate Theater wherever you are, against the earlier example over there, the one above that you can watch everywhere, anywhere within the range of your Vision Pro. I've mentioned range, I've mentioned a specific range because you got me right there. I want to implicate this one, I want to share it right there or highlight it. Let me just find a photo, a perfect example right here. It's gonna be this guy right here. Please pay attention that there is a cord, right? Let me just wait for it to go back. I'm gonna pose it. There. Please pay attention that there is a cord right there. It's actually a really long cord that actually looks like you're in a hospital being hooked up with something or a machine in the hospital, right? So, what does it seem like? It looks like, let me try zooming in a little bit. It doesn't allow me to zoom in. Anyway, on my own perspective right here, it looks like a charger for your Apple Watch. So technically, this cord right here is a charger for Vision Pro. You heard it right, Vision Pro is not wireless. That's one of the cons of Vision Pro for me, that it is not wireless, I mean. So, even though I said whatever you are, whenever or wherever you are in the house, you can watch, you can go in the meetings, you can even play, as long as you have an adapter or a cord or an outlet near you. Okay? So this is the basic of Vision Pro. Now let's go in with the price. If I'm not mistaken, the price for this one is around $3,500 or $3,499. Let me check on the articles that I found right here. So Apple Vision Pro AR headset is finally here. And again, I was right. It's going to be a base price of $3,499. That is actually a lot of money on my end, on my area. That's going to be a 3-month rent, or it's actually more than 3 months. It's actually enough for rent or to cover rent for a whole year in the Philippines. One piece or one device of Vision Pro is actually really expensive. That's one of the things that you should take note. It's $3,499. Okay? Moving on. This is an article that I found by Daniel Piper, or Daniel Piper, please correct me if I'm wrong. He made a few good, the bad, and the ugly here. So let's just tackle the good first. So it says here that the good is first. Let's look at the good. It would seem that Apple has, and Apple does, watch and hasn't industry for a while before sweeping with a class of its own. Take on tech. Of course, it's too early to critique the thing, but Vision Pro is the first that makes me think this whole VR thing could be as transformative as people claim. So the thing is, the good here that Daniel is claiming is how it looks like. And again, this is how the charger looks like. It looks like a power bank right there, but I think it's a wireless charger or somewhat. And it looks really comfortable, guys. Let me just try and pulling it up if I can. I cannot pull it up to show you guys further. Anyway, let's go on the bad side of AR Pro or AR Vision Pro. It's gonna be, of course, the starting price is $3,499. It's actually really expensive. That's one of the things that it's gonna be the bad side out of it. And of course, the ugly. This is the ugly part, the cord right there. Even Tim Cook didn't show himself wearing it on the launch or on the beta launch of the device. Okay? So let me just check my recording right here, make sure everything is going good, because sometimes I click my recordings. And well, let me just exit this one. Now, I just want to let you guys know that personally, on my end, I'm still waiting for it to be released, because we're still just all speculating right now if it's good or bad, because it's going to be released next year, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's just wait for this Apple Vision Pro AR headset to be finally released on the public. Okay? So thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.